Have you ever felt this? You know your stuff, you have prepared, but the moment people are around, your confidence disappears. You are not alone. I have been there too, as well as so many of my students. Let me tell you a story. When I started learning English, I was confident in my own. I could read, write, and even understand conversation. But the moment I have to speak in front of somebody, my mind goes blank. I started stammering. I forgot the words, and my hands start shaking and I become nervous. I realized this wasn't about my English knowledge. This was something deeper. So, number one reason is fear of judgment. Most of the time, confidence drops because of fear of what others think. क्या गलत बोल गई तो लोग जज करेंगे तो अगर मेरी आवाज अजीब लगी तो these thoughts create pressure in your mind and block your natural confidence. Number two reason, overthinking. When people are watching, your brain starts overthinking. Is my grammar correct? Okay. Am I using the right word? Should I pause here or continue? All these thinking slow you down and makes you nervous. Fluency and confidence both disappears under overthinking. Now, third reason, lack of practice in real situation. Many students, they practice English in books or online, but rarely in front of other people. Confidence is like a muscle. If you don't use it in real situation, it will show weak when you needed it. Speaking with real people, uncomfortable at first, and that's where confidence start building up. Next it is, I have seen my students saying, we know the answer, but I can speak. I know the answer in my head, but they can't speak. They understand, but they cannot speak up. And even I have been that student too. And it really feels frustrating when your mind knows the answer, but your body is not reacting. Confidence is not permanent. It comes and go. Even the most confident speaker sometimes feels nervous. The key is not to wait for confidence to be perfect. The key is to act even when nervous. Yes, to act even when nervous. Next, small steps. Start small. Speak in front of 1 to 2 people first. Prepare yourself mentally. Visualize success before speaking. Focus on message, not on perfection. People care about what you say, not how perfectly you said. So practice daily. Even 5 to 10 minutes of practice will work. Consistency is the real secret. Next it is, if your confidence drops today, it's okay. It doesn't mean you don't know. It means your brain and your body are adjusting to something. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep trying. And finally, remember, confidence is built, not born, and it grows when you act. I believe in myself. Stay these positive thoughts to yourself. So just try to be confident and take one step at a time. You will surely be succeeding. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep speaking. See you in the next video.